Yes, Santa.
At KSU 5, I'm not able to get the test runs. If I deselect the test run and it is not able to get.
Let's see. You are having warnings.
Yeah, warnings.
No valid sender entries are found. You show me that cycle, assessment cycle.
Already have created this.
No worries, we'll see. Your controlling area is BD09 only, right?
Yes.
Yeah, press enter. Go to change. Don't do this. Go to cycle. Top cycle menu. Yeah. Go to change. Yes. Press enter. Go to the first attachment. Not attach segment. Go back. Cancel it. Not that one. The next, the other one. Okay. Give me the control. Okay. First segment. This is the secondary cost assessment cost element. Very good. This is also fine. Cost center from cost center. This is the cost element. This is also very good. Okay. Okay. This is one error we are facing. I'll tell you how to resolve this error. RKIVIU. Okay. Let me resolve this. No, don't do any settings. Please leave it. So you are just okay. Increasing volume. Oh, fine, no problem. KANK BD09, right?
Yes.
Unfortunately, now we are facing these issues. Earlier it was not. Earlier we used to get it.
RKI.
IU. This one. This one. Okay. Now it is not under non-assigned. Fine. You are doing for 8th period?
Yeah. If it when I'm taking the 10th period, it is showing an error message.
You have to resolve that error, right? They should not go to the
No,
bold.
yeah,
Okay.
I'm trying that.
Okay.
2026 will be the fiscal year, right?
Now it's working. Okay. The error was number range issue that I have rectified it. Okay. That it should have come automatically but
Mm.
now we are facing that issue. It's okay.
Just we
It,
need to go there
yeah,
and we should remove that.
it will be under non-assigned. You have to assign it for settlement. Dipti,
Okay.
clear Dipti? Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now it will work. Don't worry.
Okay.
Accounting also generated. Okay. Done, Lata.
Mm. Fine.